In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the location of a file in Google Drive. If you've ever wondered exactly which folder a file lives in, or you're trying to trace where a shared document is stored, this quick walkthrough will help you pinpoint the location with confidence. First, open your browser and sign in to Google Drive. You can use the usual Drive homepage and log in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll land on your drive where you can see your files and folders. The file you're checking might be in My Drive, a shared drive, or under Shared with Me, but the method for finding its location is the same. Next, locate the file you want to check. You can scroll through your folders or use the search bar at the top to type the file name. If you have lots of items, searching is often the fastest way. Make sure you click once to select the exact file you care about. Now right-click on the file to open the context menu. On a mouse, that's the right button. On a trackpad, use a two-finger click. From that menu, go to File Information, then choose View Details. This opens a panel on the right side of the screen with information about the selected file. As a tip, if you prefer shortcuts, pressing the letter I on your keyboard when a file is selected also opens this Details panel. In the Details panel, you'll see useful information like the file type, owner, activity, and most importantly, the location. Look for the line labeled Location. This tells you the exact folder or drive where the file is stored. If it's in a folder, you'll see the folder name listed. If it's in a shared drive, you'll see the name of that drive as part of the path. You can click the folder name in the location field to jump straight to that folder, which is handy if you want to explore neighboring files or reorganize things. A couple of quick tips. Sometimes a file can appear in more than one place. In that case, Drive may show that it's in multiple locations, and you can expand to see each one. If you don't see the location, double-check that you selected a single file and that you're on the Details tab in the panel, not the Activity tab. Also note that mobile apps have a different layout, so this method works best on the desktop version of Drive. That's all there is to it. Sign in, find your file, right-click, open View Details, and read the location in the Details panel. With this, you'll always know exactly where your files live in Google Drive.